tunaanzia hapa.
And you be careful because of the guts.
Because of what?
The guts. You don't, so that you don't like puncture the guts.
So what are some of the things that you should consider when dissecting?
Don't puncture the stomach. Don't puncture it. So you scored with this one.
You'll also show us the 4 parts of the stomach.
Yes.
Of the gut.
Chini.
Okay. Oh. Kumbe hii ndio ilikuwa imefura.
Nipe panga. So, what we're trying to do is we're trying to remove the blood completely.
The urinary blood.
We have to remove everything. Hii system yote lazima itoke. Ayat? Sitaona tu hapo chini.
So what is that, Dad?
System.
Be explaining to us the parts of the gut. Oh yeah, that's the rectum.
Yes.
I can see the droppings.
Alafu tunatoa pamoja na gallbladder. Not gallbladder. This is urine.
Oh, that's urine. It's so small.
This is the gallbladder.
Where's the gallbladder?
And this is there's a gland here. See this gland?
Yeah.
These are a man.
Produce the mask.
Yeah, this is the endocrine glands, something like that.
Isn't the one that produces the like questa? Isn't in
No, that one.
What is that, Dad? Is that a kidney? This one?
Yes, that's the kidney.
So you see what you are trying to remove now?
Oh, it comes with the liver.
This is the spleen.
Oh, that's the spleen, not the liver.
This is the spleen and the liver.
The spleen. This is the spleen.
The spleen is like a long outside.
And that is the liver.
Oh, that's the liver. And I think.
And this is the pancreas.
What about this one?
This is the pancreas.
What about this one?
Which one?
Inside here.
That is another kidney.
Oh, the left and
there
right.
are two.
Yeah,
yes. Anatomy is anatomy.
There are two really.
What is that? That's the meat. There's a muscle.
I have to disconnect this one. Mama join the kidney. I want to remove the other one. The liver. I want to remove the liver. Yes. What are we learning now? Are we learning anything? This is the diaphragm, separating the thoracic cavity and what?
The gut.
And now we are going to remove the lungs. Sorry. Makosa. These are the lungs. See the lungs there?
Usually say ribs.
Yeah?
Silipia ribs.
Ngoja kidogo.
Ama ribs ya kuchoma.
Ngoja kidogo. Hivi ni nini? This is an operation, boys.
What is that?
What is that yellow thing?
This is the one. Gallbladder.
Oh, that's the yellow.
Can spoil everything, man.
No, hakuna kuspoil. Hii ni kitu ya digestion.
Spilling, man. It's spilling.
Sikia mimi hiyo. Pande ile.
Enda shika liver.
Shika liver pande ile. Pande ile saa. Shika hivi.
Timi Rwanda sasa hivi.
Namna hiyo. Pull it outside that way. It's the gallbladder.
Bile juice.
Bile. You know what bile is?
What does bile do?
It is for digestion. See that?
What does it digest?
So no.
That's like an acid.
Emulsifying liquid for digestion. This is the one. So you can see that the animal was normal because this one is not big.
So when it's big?
Big, it is it's got something wrong in the system. Urinal.
Okay.
Right? Nini? Heart.
You're removing the liver.
I want to disconnect the liver from this one. Now, I'm going to hold this one.
First.
I'm going to hold this one. Then that one now, sijui tutaweka wapi. Wewe kwa ile nini. Na mwaje bora. Twende hapa. Toa hii tray. See this one?
No, this is where we're getting the lungs and the heart.
I'm opening completely. Sasa ile kazi iko hapa. Sam. Hii kitu inataka kuvurutwa. Na naweza vurutia mimi.
Kama Sam unaweza acha Sam afuruta. Sam furuta.
Hakuna. Acha nivurute tu. See, I'm supposed to remove it completely from the. Sikia mimi hapa Sam. See that?
You see the trachea?
Ndio mimi nataka kukata kabisa mpaka ndani huko. Hapo nikivuruta, it's supposed to be coming. See that? Then we remove it from the sides. See ni nyama tu. So this one, these are the organs, main organs in the body. Si tumeona hiyo ni liver. Alafu that is the heart. And these are the lungs. Sawa? So this is the cullet. So na cullet hii. Esophagus ni hii. Na hii ni trachea. Hii ni ya hewa na hii ni ya chakula. Hiyo chakula inaenda mpaka inaingia kwa tumbo. Ikipitia hapa mahali tulikata saa ile. Unaona hapa? Sasa hiyo inaingia kwa tumbo huko na connect huko.